Good morning, guys. I'm watching some YouTube. About to have some breakfast, some tea. I don't really know what my plans are today. I think I'm just gonna relax a bit. Good morning, guys. Or afternoon, rather. I'm gonna go hand in some bottles. Go do a little bit of shopping. Got some more bottles here. I don't really have the energy to work on the electrical project today, guys. I think it's just gonna be a chill out day. Yeah. Alright guys, I just cleaned up the solar panel with some rubbing alcohol. It had some bits of industrial glue still on here, but all three solar panels are cleaned up and ready now for testing. Guess I should probably build that, finish that electrical setup tomorrow. Test these solar panels. I'm not sure if I'll have the energy, honestly. I think I'm just gonna go cook some dinner in a second and just hang out for the rest of the day. Guys, I'm cooking some taco meat, hanging out with Stony, watching some Sam Hyde. It's a pretty chill evening, guys. I'm enjoying myself here. Good morning, guys. I'm just listening to some Sam Hyde. I've been waking up multiple times, falling asleep again. And I'm just out here in the cold. About to drink some soda, smoke a cigarette. I'm going back to Natya and Jason today already. Gotta watch Jason a few more days while Natya finishes her tattoo. Oh yeah, the documentarian who's working with Tobias, the owner of this place, he's coming by today as well. Hi. Here we are again, guys. I'm gonna borrow this shower from the people who live over here on this side of the well. Because it's been 1 month now with no warm water in this place. Like 3 weeks without the ability to cook with gas. It's getting pretty brutal, but hey, at least I can get a warm shower, right? I know I just got the soaps and the like shampoo and conditioner bars from Lush, but those I'm gonna save for on the road. When I actually have the ability to shower indoors, I'm gonna use these products because I have a suspicion they're a lot better. It's like the best stuff I've ever had. I got them from the neighbor lady, the older lady who lives next to Jason. Very sweet. She knew Mike too. But yeah, she gave me this. She's a former hairdresser. She also gave me this thing. It's amazing. Ah, that was so nice. Let's go. The whole shower slash gas situation makes it a lot easier for me to, mentally saying goodbye to this place. But I love the people here, and I can still take showers. That's nice. Yes, is sleeping. I gotta be silent.
Og billedet er bedre på denne her, men til gengæld, altså, små ting, men til gengæld så
Wah. Wah. Wow, Jess. Huh? You've gotten really talkative. Sådan.
Så skal jeg lave i billedet. Og så skal jeg lige have sat den til sinde en gang. Jeg skal lige lære styre dig. Jo. Michael, du ved godt, du ikke må købe noget. Nej, men det er en snakke med den anden dag. Vi snakker med den anden dag. Hvad skal vi så snakke om i dag?
Guys, I'm taking a break. Look at my beautiful hair. Oh my god, that neighbor lady. Oh, she gave me this amazing thing you spray in your hair after you're done. Just look at my curls, guys. What is happening? Did I look this good always? Damn. I just have to take a little bit care of my hair in order to look this good. Nice. But now she gave me this spritz thing that you put in your hair when it's still wet. That combined with the other products she gave me. Just look at me. The results speak for themselves. Taking a bit of a break all day. I've been the assistant of Mikael, who has been showing me the ropes. I only really have experience with digital cameras, but he's a documentarian working with Tobias, the guy who owns this place. He makes a bunch of art. And he makes documentaries about said art, and he's kind of looking for an assistant to potentially start taking over stuff in the future. But for now, he's just explaining stuff about cameras. We flew a drone around. It's given me a lot of insight too when it comes to the final few things on my wish list, which is a 360 cam, a drone, and a laptop that's gonna make me able to edit the kind of footage that these output. I think this is perfect timing. Everything in my life right now for the past, 10 months or so has just been perfect timing. I've been so, I don't know if it's lucky. I've just been very receptive to positive things happening, and this looks like yet another one. But I have to go back to Albertslund today. I have to go to Natcha and Jason because I'm watching them tomorrow and the day after. So once I'm done here and like 2 hours at most, I'll start riding over there. Hopefully the weather's gonna be on my side. Looks like it is. It's been kind of cold today, but it is still spring, you know. It's not yet fully summer. You just forget when you have 3 nice days in a row. Good evening, guys. I am in a skeptical mood right now. I have to go through the forest. There's a damn forest worker there who doesn't want me to pass through the forest, but I kind of have to. Can't really get to where I'm going unless I use these highly traveled roads for cars, which I could. But I'd rather deal with this forest guy than the actual police. So It's almost 9 p.m. It's getting dark. I'ma hurry up. Guys, I've turned on the lights and the brake lights and the brake helmet light. Oh my god. It sucks when you have to hide and run away, and I hate that part. I used to enjoy it when I was younger, but nowadays I just want to ride my wheel, man. Just leave me alone. Oh well. Gotta go fast. I got here through the rain. I was soaked when I got here. I've had the time to sit down, get some to eat, heat up a bit. I'm just relaxing, watching cartoons now. I'm pretty tired. Oh shit. It's Sparky Boom Man. Oh shit. I forgot about this, dude. Avatar is so good. I missed this show. Well, I missed the Danish dub. I have watched the English dub, but I grew up with it in Danish. You know how it is.